Hello, everyone, and welcome to Claims Village. My name is Omar, and today we will be learning how to deal with delays in construction projects using Core Principle 3 from the SCL Protocol. This rule helps us to understand what to do when there are delays. Are you ready to learn how to handle this delay better? Let's start. Before we start, I want to share a story. Imagine two teams are building a house. One is the smart team who plans carefully. The other is the confused team, who often make mistakes. This story is more than just about building a house. It teaches us about working together in a good way. Let's watch to see which team does well and which one faces problems. Get ready to learn from what happens to them. Smart team meets in a bright room with large drawings and important papers called the condition of contracts in front of them. They carefully go over the rules and plans, making timetable charts clear for everyone to see. The boss listens and nods as one team member points out what they will do step by step. Confused teams meeting is full of mixed up paper and confusion. The boss tries to point them to the important rules they are missing, but the team is not paying attention, showing signs they don't know where to start. This already looks like trouble. Smart team work smoothly at their building site. When they find a surprise issue, they immediately write it down and tell the boss, showing the problem using the contract as a guide. They quickly decide on a fix together, keeping work on time. Confused team runs into the same problem, but they just argue and nobody checks the contracts for help. Time passes, but nothing gets fixed, and the boss isn't told what's happening. The workers cannot do their jobs, and the schedule is now off track. Smart Team's villa is ready sooner than expected. Their good work and quick talking with the boss anytime trouble come up made sure they finished fast. Now everybody is sharing big smiles, especially the proud boss. Confused Team Villas is still not done. It's late because they didn't manage their work well. The boss looks at the calendar with missed dates and feels let down. The workers seem sorry and there is a sad mood because they couldn't do it on time. Let's take a closer look at Code Principle 3 from the SCL Protocol. This rule is about following the agreed steps in our contracts when there is delay in our construction work. We will go through how these steps can keep our projects moving forward even when there are problems. Contract rules for delays are like a guide that contractors and employers follow when they are slowed down in construction projects. These rules are crucial because they help identify, manage, and reduce the impact of these delays. Let's dive into their importance and how they work. Notices are critical first steps in dealing with delays, acting as the starting point for discussing more time for the project. It's vital to alert the other party about delays as soon as you can. Giving early warning can help tackle delays right away, benefiting the whole project. Quick communication is essential when managing delays, with contractors needing to inform employers about any slowdown without delay and vice versa. This fast sharing of information helps everyone make timely decisions to keep the project moving forward as smoothly as possible. Sticking to the rules isn't just about doing things by the book. It's about using these guidelines to find solutions to delays that everyone can agree on. This not only helps solve problems more effectively but also protect the projects from bigger issues down the line. Keeping detailed record and understanding the full impact of delays are key practices. These records are crucial for making fair decisions about giving more time for the project. It's about making sure everything is clear and agreed upon by all parties. To wrap up, core principle 3 from the SCL protocol shows us how important it is to follow contract rules during delays. Today, we highlighted the importance of quick communication, following these rules, and keeping details record to navigate through project delays successfully. Thanks for joining us, and make sure to keep following for more tips on managing construction projects effectively. In the next video, we will dive into core principle 4, which is called Do Not Wait and See regarding the impact of delay events. This principle emphasizes the importance of being proactive and taking immediate action when faced with potential delays rather than adopting a wait and see approach, which can lead to further complication and increased cost. Stay tuned to learn more about how to effectively manage and mitigate the impact of delay on your construction projects. Thanks.